So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. So before discussing about the eligibility criteria and the job role, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also you can join our Telegram channel called Latest Off Campus Types for you. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to join our Telegram channel more easily. So let me tell you one thing. So I have seen that most of our viewers are only joining to our Telegram channel instead of subscribing to our YouTube channel. So our Telegram channel is only for lateral hiring updates and the job references. So we'll be not putting the latest off-campus type details in our Telegram channel. So if you want updates regarding latest off-campus types, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel first. Otherwise, you will miss the opportunities regarding the latest off-campus types. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel first, and also please share these details with other job seekers and help others. So now let's discuss about the job roles and the eligibility criteria. So the first company name is Synopsys, and they are hiring for data science or the machine learning intern. So the duration is of 1 year. So after completing the training, you will become the permanent employee of Synopsys. So they are hiring for Bangalore location, and the salary you will be getting 5 LPA according to the Glassdoor review. So they have not mentioned any salary structure or the criteria in their official website. For a reference purpose, I have added the salary structure or the package according to the Glassdoor review. So you may get more than this, but this is the average salary people are getting for this role. That means the machine learning intern position. Then qualification required is B, BTech, MTech, MS or ME. Then batch. Any year of pass out candidates can apply for this role. That means 2021 and 2022 candidates are eligible for this role. Then batch branch. So CSE, CSIT, ECE or triple E, that means all the circuit branch candidates are eligible. Non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical, so they are not eligible for this role. Then interview location. So it's an online interview process from your home itself. You can attend for this drive. Then the other requirements. So you must be pursuing or have completed your degree from computer science or any other field or any other related field with machine learning or any other related field like data science, etc. So you must have some experience with machine learning software packages. Then ability to design machine learning applications, that means supervised, unsupervised or the reinforced learning process or the algorithms. So this role involves software application deployment or the development around Linux design system. So you must have excellent programming skill in C or C++ or Java. It is not mandatory that you must know all these three programming languages. Any of these three programming languages you must know. So I hope or I guess all have knowledge on C or the basic C. So it is good that most of the people have knowledge on C or C++ or Java. Then you must have working knowledge on the software quality and the software testing. So this is the basic things you must have idea about. So then the second company. So at the end of the discussion we'll be sharing the apply link. So then the second link or the second company name is the Leva Data. So they are hiring for data analyst intern. So the what will be the duration? It is of 6 months training. So after completing the internship, you will become the permanent employee of Leva Data according to your performance. So the duration or the intensive duration might be increased according to your performance. Then location. They are hiring for Hyderabad location and salary you will be getting 25,000 per month up to 6 months. So after becoming the permanent employee, you will be getting according to your performance and skills. Then qualification. B, BTech, ME, MTech, MS candidates are eligible for this role. Then batch. Any batch, that means 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22 all are eligible for this role irrespective of their year of pass out or batch. Then branch. So remember one thing, only triple E at EC year candidates or the branch candidates are eligible. No CSE or CSIT, or non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil or electrical are not eligible. Then interview location. It's also a online interview process like the previous one. From your home itself you can attend for this drive. Then other qualifications or the requirements. So you must have good knowledge on Python because they are hiring for data analyst. Then you must have excellent data and activity organization skills are must, and strong data modeling and the data analytics skills that enable identification of data connection or the correlation between the variables or the data and interactions. So you must have knowledge about the data analytics tools or the data modeling or the data visualization tools. So these are the basic things so you need to know about. And then the job description. So it will be duration, the intensive will be of 6 months and can be extended according to the requirements. So stipend will be getting 20,000 or 25,000 per month up to 6 months as we discussed earlier. So you need to perform quantitative and qualitative secondary research to collect informations about the companies and the products. So as a data analyst you need to collect the data about the company or about the product. Then you need to analyze the data and bring the requirement or visualize the data in order to share the details or the correlations with the other stakeholders. So these are the basic things, or this is the about the two company roles. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this role if you are interested and if you are eligible. So this is the naukri.com. So here you can see all the details. So in the previous video many candidates or the viewers has requested that please share the data science and the machine learning job updates or the off campus dive details. So I have shared this time. So if you are eligible then please subscribe, please apply for these roles. So I'll be putting these links in the description of this video so that you will be able to apply for these roles as soon as possible before the job roles expires. So these are the links or the advertisements. So I hope you get a clear idea about these opportunities. So if you are facing any difficulties you are applying for this role, so please comment your doubts in the comment section below so that you will be able to help you as soon as possible. And also you can join or reach us out through any social media platforms like Instagram or Telegram. So I'll be putting the links in the description of this video as well. So thank you for watching and all the best for your future.